Hello everyone, today I will be sharing with you how I prepare my homemade prawn noodle soup. So going to the key ingredient would be the sambal, the chili paste, and the first thing that you have to prepare is 15 to 20 dried chili, soaked and deseeded. We also need a lot of shallot, so it depends on how spicy you like your chilies to be. I would like them to be a bit less spicy, so I use a lot of shallot, so use about 10 to 15 as well. Some of the shallot have been sliced thinly by a mandolin slicer. As you can see that in the later step, it's used for garnishing. Together with 5 cloves of garlic, you have to blend the shallots together with the chili into a fine chili paste. You can add about 1 tablespoon of water to facilitate the blending process and ensure that it becomes a thick and fine consistency. In a hot wok, I fry the shallots until yellow and crispy, and I use the remaining oil to actually fry the chili paste until fragrant. It's optional to add belacan in here to make the chili paste more fragrant. In a hot pot, I put in oil to actually stir fry the prawn shells and head until they become fragrant. I added about 4 liters of water together with 600 grams of pork ribs to make the broth, and this process takes several hours. Now the broth can be strained and you add rock sugar and salt to your taste. In a wok, I take a bit of the broth to blanch the prawns and I put them aside. Now I move to prepare the vegetable, which are taogeh and kangkung, and both of them needs to be blanched. So that's how you blanch it quickly and remove from the hot water instantly. And you also blanch the noodles of your choice, and strain them, put it aside. Voila, everything is now ready for assembly, and I hope you liked the video of me sharing how I prepare the prawn noodles. Thank you.